Hey everyone, today we're going to be drawing a bumblebee on a flower. For this one, you need black, yellow, and then any sort of color for the flower, and for this one, we need purple. That's really all you need. Okay, so to start, take out your black and just draw a little shape like that. Then draw an eye, like a circle thing right here, and then just sort of close that. So you can kind of shade this all in black. Here you can do a small black circle inside of it that just kind of leads the sliver of that eye right there. Then a little like antenna thing coming out like that. Okay, so now that you have that, just kind of draw these little fluffy bits like that. And kind of same thing here. The line that continues down. So you have this sort of shape. Shade it all in. And then make that fluffy again, so it's just like small little black things, lines that go out. Like that, just like a lot of them in a row. Okay, and then finally one more. So it looks something like that. Goes down. So it looks like it should be following kind of the same line here. Shade that in. And then make that fluffy again. Now you have something like that. So then now you're gonna take one arm, you're gonna have it go out. So just kind of draw a little oval here, and then a square, and then a line right at the top, and have that hook down. Then here, same thing. It's gonna be an oval. Then it goes out a little bit in another square. Then it's going to be another line that goes and hooks down. And then here you can start to draw a wing, which will just, this one will go basically straight down to the side and then up. The other one straight down, kind of below this. Straight line here, so looks something like that. And then for the detail, you can just kind of do one long line on top, and then a couple little oval thingies at the very end, and then more ovals. Just kind of layer the ovals. Same thing here, oval, oval, oval. And just kind of stack those. So you have something that looks like that. And then you're gonna wanna take your black and make the front of the head kind of fluffy. And then just shade some bits of this in, but leave like a white part. Okay. Then for the flower, it's just gonna be these sort of like U shapes, but like in a circle. You can draw a couple more in here for just some texture stuff, and have them all point towards the bee. So So you have something like that. Then now you're gonna draw just a bunch more ovals. It's pretty thin. You can basically go out from the center of the flower. And just kind of imagine where it would go from here. So now you have something like that. You can have one line coming from here, just sort of have that go down. Okay. So that's all the black you'll need. So now take out your yellow and fill this in. And here, and here, and do some little fluffs. So yeah, something like that. Actually, take out your black again, and this line here should extend all the way to the leg. So you have something like that. Just grab your yellow again, do some more shading on that. Let's make him a bit chubbier. It's a little bit fluffy here. Then if you want, you don't have to, but if you want, you can kind of do these little outlines on the bee, on the yellow parts. Okay, so there's your bee. And just color this pollen part in yellow as well. And then grab your flower color. I chose purple, and then just shade in all the flower petals. That. Just make sure to like end it off where the leg would be going. It's like here, see I'm stopping. I'm like rejoining it because the flower is behind the leg. And same thing here, although it is black in this part, so I can just kind of go over it and it won't really do anything to the piece. Honestly, the flower doesn't necessarily need any line work anyways, but this makes it look a bit better. Still with the flower. And here, yeah, I gotta kind of be careful with the yellow. Make sure that doesn't bleed through or anything. Okay. So now you should have something that looks like that. And finally, if you really want, you can grab your green and just shade in the stem of the flower.